Hi everybody, Annie here. I just wanted to show you this book before it went to its new home. This is Nora's book. She asked for it. She liked the Gothic Glam, so I made another one. This one's a little bit different. We'll just start with the outside first. This right here flips out and there's a little card inside. This right here comes out and there's this underneath, and the tag pulls out, and I put this here because it wants to you know, when you're writing in it, this right here wants to come open with you, and so I put that paper clip. Well, I can't get that. There we go. I put the paper clip on here to because that thing it just kept opening and stuff, and so I wanted to keep it. I noticed when every time I would open the book it would flop open, so I needed to do something to fix that. So I just made a paper clip. I don't know why everything takes so long when you're making a video. I hope everybody's doing okay. And it's got really hot here where I live. I think it's about 100 outside right now, so yeah, very hot. So I'm in the air conditioning, just doing some crafty stuff, and yeah. And this right here is just a paper clip, and it comes out and you can use it wherever you want. And then there's a little letter things, just a piece of paper you can write on or whatever. And then I did put book corners on the front and the back of the book, you know, right here. And I used this, let me show you real quick. I didn't latch it so I could show you guys, but I just used a chain closure and just put charms on it. I just used the garment pins, you know, otherwise. And so one more thing on the outside was the tassel. This was a key I had made a long time ago, and I finally found a home for it. I thought it was so pretty. I just put some metals, and it's just an altered key is all it is. And I had a tassel, and I made this little book. I'm not gonna open it because it just opens, and it's got a little space in there, and it's got one of those little glass bottles with little brown glass bottles with the cork in it. So anyway, there's that. And then on the inside, of course it's got this, and she'll put her name here, and you know, and I put some fabric, and it's got 3 signatures. And I used some of the papers. I believe this is it's Gothic Glam, and it's Artie Mays, and I've done a lot of sewing with some old letters, just stamping. These will fall down the side. I have a lot of that. This right here's got a notepad in it. You can pull it out. Little tuck spot, and lots of, you know, spaces. All this stuff is, you know, space for writing. And this opens up, and it's got some, once again, some Edgar Allan Poe poetry, which I love it. And then here's a little envelope, and I used a heart. And then there's this, and then more writing, and I put a paper bag and just stuck a paper down in it. And then I just put this on the other side so you can write it. Those paper bags can be, to me, really dark, and you can't really write on them, so I just thought this would be a nice little place to provide you a space to write, since this thing's so big. And anyway, this is the middle of the first one, and I left 2 things, and I put charms on every. There's a key, and then there's this tuck spot, and little tag in here and stuff. So yeah, tuck spot, lots of, and then this just flips up, you know, for that. I hope you're seeing okay. I really can't see my camera too good. More writing space, and there's a little book and a little letter and tags. I mean, it's just, I think I really like it. I think it's got a lot of fun little things in it, you know, as far as that goes. And here's your little envelope with that on it. I thought it was real cute. I love this little paper clip thing, and some more little writing spots and tuck spots and tags. I feel like my arm's in the way, and all that good stuff. And this one, it's got some writing pages in it, and I put this little book-like thing. It's got symbols and things about the new moon and the phases, and just, you know, little goodies like that, and little tuck spots. And I try to take advantage of places, you know, to write on. And then this is a pocket right here. And then this right here, I left, they're just pages. They're all the same, spells and potions, but there's quite a few, and I didn't do anything to those because I left those for her to write in. Another little envelope and another pocket right here. This I didn't know what to do with. I had it left over, so I just put it here, and I stamped it on the inside, and you know, flip it up, and I just stuck a tag in it because this is the back of those little books on the front page, and this same thing on the back. And I thought, well, that's cute. You can write on it, done something with it, and I stamped them. This is just some book pages with some, you know, little letter with some info and stuff. And same thing here, notepad. Some more stamping. This was a page that was an odd size and full moon, and so I put it here. I think these papers, and this has got all lines on it. I don't know if you can really tell. And then this one, I started out like this. It's got little tuck spots and tags and all that. And then here, and then this, and I put some little bling bling stuff on that. Some stamping, writing, stamping, lots and lots, because it's pretty big, and I want people to write in them. And I just stamp there. Some more writing pages, tags, tuck spots. This, some more tags, and this folds out. This folds out like this, and then it, you know, when you turn it over, then you can fold this out. And it's I don't know if you, an Edgar Allan Poe poem, and then you can just do that. A belly band and a tag. I've got caught on something over here. Here we go. This is just a little place where you can tuck things, and I just got it on with a paper clip. And I love these paper. And this folds out here. And once again, two little charms. I put her initial on one, and then there's a heart and a little piece of paper and fabric on it. And then I think that's pretty much it, except, well, no, there's tuck spots. Tuck spot. And another tuck spot with an Edgar Allan poem. And writing. So anyway, lots of writing. Another tuck spot, and here's the end of it, and of course just a letter, and I will not undo that because it's folded in on itself, that like the way they mailed them a long time ago. And then just that, and just some more of that. And then I did cover this in this, I don't know if you want to call it fabric or pleather or whatever for, you know, and I'm hoping this will last. You know, I'm hoping this will hold up really well. And like I said, this book turned out, well, all my books, I don't know, they always seem to get really huge. But and then you just shut that, and then it just, you know, I don't know if you can see that or not, but yeah. Anyway, that's my book, or Nora's book, I should say. And thank you guys for watching, and I'll speak to you soon. Bye.